Mandy.
Hi.
Okay, Mandy. And welcome to ABS-CBN Philippines, okay? My name is Wally.
I'm John.
I'm Randy, Mandy.
Hi, Randy.
Even though,
Hi, how are you?
you know, I want to say happy Mandy, even though it's Saturday. No, really. You know what, Mandy? A lot of guys have been asking, asking you. I just want to ask you, do you have a boyfriend right now?
I do.
Oh.
Lucky guy, no. You guys can forget about it.
That's nice. I think
Swerte ko,
your
katabi
boyfriend-
ka
I know
dito,
your
ang
boyfriend.
ganda.
Oo nga.
She's really beautiful,
Carlos-
guys. I'm so lucky to be here.
I just want to ask, Mandy. I think I know your boyfriend.
Yeah.
No, I think it's your father.
No, that's the boyfriend. Is it Roger Moore?
No. You guys, quit being silly.
No,
Oh, ayan, nasabihan tuloy kayo, quit being silly. Ang boyfriend niya
No.
is none other than Andy Roddick, right? Roddick, yes. Roddick, a very famous tennis player.
Mandy,
Yeah.
Manny.
everyone's waiting for you here. Would you like to say hi to all the people
Yes,
here in
Baguio.
Baguio City?
Hi, Baguio, what's going on? How are you?
Can you see them?
Hey.
Everyone's thousands of them are waiting
Oh
for
my
you.
gosh. Hi.
A
There they are.
lot. There's a people's power. There's a people's power here because they're shouting for Mandy Moore, you know?
And
my
they've
God.
been shouting more.
They want
why.
more. They don't look too enthusiastic to see me, but that's okay.
But
Honestly, Mandy, we love your song. I wanna be with you.
Oh,
You want to
thank
be
you.
with her?
Yeah, we love
you
that
do, you
song.
do.
Wanna be.
And we'll be watching your concert also.
Yeah.
I just
Well,
want
we'll have to do a duet next time.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Mandy, can you say Mahal Kita?
Mahal kita? Very good. That means sorry.
I love you. We love you too, Mandy. The Filipino people love you so much.
Yeah.
All right, Mandy Moore, okay?
Thank you very much, John. Really, Randy?
Yeah. Thank you very much, RJW.